Look what finally showed up, boys. My back-ordered Predator step bars. Instead of having the dealer install it, I decided to, well, we do it ourselves. Easy enough. They supply bolts, but there are also bolts on the truck already. You just have to remove, and you can either use those bolts or the ones that supplied with it. Okay. Now they are marked left hand and right hand. As you can see at the back of the part number on the sticker. I'm on.
All right, that's good then. Just leave it.
And of course, all the brackets line up just nicely. Lots of support, and it went on in like 10 minutes. These are so easy to install; it's unbelievable. Now I do find it a little shallow, a little hard to get your foot onto it, both getting in and when you're getting out. There's not much room there, so something I maybe have to get used to. I'm not sure. Okay, so our Predator steps are installed. I'm not sure if I like them or not. There's not much foot room when you try to get your foot on there. Looks like we might have a problem with some dirt buildup in between the body and the frame of the step, but we'll see. We'll see. Just take a look at the other side. They look good. Are they functional? Well, we'll have to find out as time goes on if they will function or not. Let me know what you guys think about them. Like them or dislike them. What do you think?